Want to get the most out of Claude 3.5 Sonnet? Here's how to access it and use it effectively, step by step. Start by navigating to Claude AI in your browser and logging in with your verified Anthropic account. Once logged in, you'll see a dashboard with available models. Select Claude 3.5 Sonnet, which is designed for fast and efficient responses with balanced reasoning. Click New Chat or New Project to start a session. Type your task, question, or prompt clearly in the input box. Claude 3.5 Sonnet can handle a variety of tasks, including text generation, summarization, coding assistance, and brainstorming. Review the AI's response and refine your prompt if you need more detailed or accurate results. You can copy the output, make edits, or export it to your preferred format. For ongoing projects, you can continue the conversation in the same session. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.